One of our Ahmadi students of Cambridge, he asks this question to Huzur. He says, what is Huzur's opinion about alternative energy, especially about solar energy and the future of this energy?
I think it is very important that we should turn rapidly to this alternative energy, particularly the sun's heat, because it will help pollution, decrease pollution, because this is an energy in which there is no pollution whatsoever, and it's a constant energy. Every time a cell runs out, it can be recharged by the same sun as many times as you please. So nowadays, large work is done on this in Japan and in Italy. And I also installed one such machine in Rabwa in my farm. And it worked very well. I don't know whether it is still working there or not, but once when I installed it, it was working all right. Similarly, I advised some African countries to follow this, and they did it because there was no other source of energy. It was short of petrol and other things. So it's cheap, but its original installation is not cheap. That is expensive. But once installed, then it runs very cheaply.